habalakan rei kam sniu ku blak tak plak ia ke imlang salang lingba ke jingdi buat drok hi khun samla po ke jela ke bana kate ke dau ku sami sa ki kamruna basir kai ku kom boper kala penlong ke tanat pulit jong Bhoi district police man pelong ke jing IG kai chai samla pule ha ke jing sno kti lang ba ke Bhoi college kumno bakin kiar naga berpenan kam yo te jingdi buat bopen sniu ba kta ke imlang salang maka jingyam len yar jong babon ki long yeng ha ba ki khun jong ki kelangop ha kate ke jingdi ya kadawai bi basar kai bar ke bae ban pathat no eka kumta katanat pulit kala pelong ye jing hikai ka apply trik unailar aja apply hari Bhoi college bersim menta do klik do ki pulit ke jelau Dr. LR Bisnoy kum u director general of police ka sarkar jela mar ka phang pedeng kalong drugs abuse and illicit trafficking haktin nong way nalor DGP la sakhilang ru daga jingdon kan ugiri prasad SP ke Bhoi district Wishan Gupta Astan SP ke Bhoi district u principal ke Bhoi college ki he pulit na Bhoi ki no hikai ba ki samla pule jongkate college Dr. LR Bisnoy kum kongsan no hikai ulo batai bania se ki samla pule kat kum kate ka phang bla bu ba lo Kyntu ki samla pule ba kimde ban kta lenai mat yu drugs ulo hikai ru ba kilong maki kum kita ki nongra ne pen saprang khobor ba bha se imlang salang na ka benta ban rat dingkhong yau teu ja jingdi ba bu ai lo batai bania ru dak boong ba u drugs ude wene ki ja jingdi ba kta e ka bor jabing ba ka jala mata ka don hapleng ka sawasian habla jelai ki nong di drugs khamtam ki khun samla da ka basneng Kyntu ba ki khun samla dalele ne horkit hordang kimde ban sha pen bi ha ka jingkerni yau teu jingdi ba pen sneu ba kta e ka ko khia ya ka yo ka kot ki long ying long sem ban ha ki imlang salang bar away
then you are taking food, but food is not a drug because it will not change the function of your mind. It is good for your health. But if you take the drugs for longer durations, then you will become dependent on drugs. So that is why we are concerned about it. Why we are so much concerned? Because in 2019, please remember, 2019, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, they have conducted a nationwide survey and they noted in 2019 at that time that there are nearly 8 crore people in India who are taking drugs. So this is a huge figure. Now it may be touching 10 crore. And major proportion of that drug abusers are the youngsters, ranging from the age of 15 to 35, and many of them are students, either dropout students from the school or sometimes the school and college and university students. So that is why it is a cause of big concern for all of us, because you are youngster, you are the future of the country, your life is as precious as diamond for us. We want to see the youth happy, healthy and smiling. We cannot afford to ruin the future of the youth by the drugs. Okay? So that is why we have come to your college. You must know some basic idea, even if you are not taking drugs, but if you are aware, you can save your friends, you can save your relatives who are in the grip of drug abuse. You can contribute in your own best possible. So quickly we will go through the slide on the drug abuse point of view. You know, the Meghalaya is a small state having almost population of 36-37 lakhs only. It has 12 districts and 80 police stations. And you know how many colleges are there in Meghalaya? There are 70 colleges. Sorry, Bhoi is one of them. The Bhoi college was established in 1984. It's a quite old college, and I was told that nearly 1,500 students are there and 40 old faculty members. College building is quite imposing, so I'm happy to come here. So why Meghalaya is sensitive? Because Meghalaya has close proximity to the Golden Triangle area. You heard about the Golden Triangle? Any idea what is a Golden Triangle? You have not heard? It is not a Golden Triangle, it is a Devil's Triangle. Devil's Triangle. Why? the bordering area of the Thailand, Burma and Laos, these three Southeast Asian countries, comprising a very, very difficult terrain, almost 9 lakh square kilometers, where the opium cultivation is done. And out of that opium, heroin and morphine are produced. So that is why earlier the name was Golden Triangle, but now it is a Devil's Triangle. And the area is so huge that 40 number of Meghalaya can be accommodated in that area. It's a huge area, and that area is a poorly administered area, and opium is rampantly grown there, and they have there some improvised factories to produce the heroin and morphine